Hello guys, welcome back. Myself Manish Mittal from SURAJ Senior Secondary School, Mahendragarh. Dear students, in last video I taught you topic share capital from chapter issue of share. Today I start my new topic. My topic name issue of share at par from chapter issue of share. What do you mean by the share issued at par? Share issued at par means its face value of share rupee 10 and it is issued at rupee 10. It is also known as share issued at par. It is also known as share issued at par. Dear students, now I will discuss with you about that what entry will be passed when share issued at par. Dear students, first of all, company should prospectus and invite application from the general public. General public along with application send application money. Dear students, you should remember application money must be 25% of the face value of share. It must be 25% of the face value of the share. First of all, along with application, general public send application money. And what entry will be made for application money received? Dear friends, your entry will be passed bank account debit to equity share application account. Bank account debit to equity share application account. Narration for application money received. Dear students, narration is a part of question and you should write narration for every entry. I am not writing narration due to the space problems. Dear students, you should write narration for every journal entry for application money received. Now, application money, it is a part of share capital. Then it should be transferred to the share capital. Those shareholders who allotted shares, the shares application money should transfer to the share capital. Your entry will be made equity share application account debit, equity share application account debit to equity share capital account, to equity share capital account, to equity share capital account. Now narration will be application money transferred to the share capital. Dear students, now after application money transferred to share capital, company informed to the shareholder about the share allotted and call for the allotment money. Company try to allot share quickly and inform to the shareholder and along with information allotment money due. Then your entry will be passed equity share allotment account debit, equity share allotment account debit to equity share capital account, to equity share capital account. Now shareholder pay the allotment money, then your entry will be passed bank account debit to equity share allotment account, to equity share allotment account. After this, company give information to the shareholder about the first call money due and your entry will be passed equity share first call account debit 2. Equity share capital account. Narration for first call money due. Now, when the first call money received, then entry will be passed. Bank account debit to equity share first call account. First call account. After this, company inform about the due of the final call. When final call money due, then your entry will be passed. Equity share final call account debit to equity share capital account. For final call money due. Now, final call money paid by the shareholder, company receive final call, entry will be passed. Bank account debit to equity share final call account. Now, these are the entry related to the share issued part. If company made some expenses for the issue of share, then what entry will be passed, dear students? Then your entry will be passed for share issue expense nominal account, share issue expense account debit, share issue expense account debit to bank account. If in question security premium reserve are available, these expenses are write off from the security premium reserve and your entries will be passed. Security premium reserve account debit, security premium reserve account debit to share issue expense account. Share issue expense account. If share issue to the promoter for their service, for share issue to promoter for their services, then your entry will be passed. Incorporation cost account debit to equity share capital account. Incorporation cost account debit to equity share capital account. Dear students, these are the entry related to the share issue part, share issue expense and share issue to the promoter for their service. I hope you understand it. If you understand it, then like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.